So this is our fire alarm detection system. So in this system we use two sensors, gas sensor and flame sensor. And here also we use two microcontroller. This microcontroller ESP32 and this one is Arduino Nano. So all the sensors will be connected to ESP32. And for the reason we use Arduino Nano here is because the GSM module have some problem when using with ESP32. So therefore we use this ESP32 to send the signal to Arduino Nano to trigger the phone call. So now is the gas sensor. Okay, now it detects the gas and the buzzer sound. And now we receive the call from the alarm system. So now let's try for the flame sensors. Okay, and now it detects fires. And now we're waiting for the phone call. Okay, now we receive the phone call. Yeah, and that's all for this project. Thank you.